Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's card making project I'm using this embossing folder, and I did this embossing using the cardstock, and these are A2 size card, and these are the things I'll be using as the base. Then this is a spellbinder die. I'm going to be using those in this project. So now I'm going to use all these colorful cardstock paper, and I'm going to cut the die, and then I'll be back. Then you can see me all putting together all those elements, and let's have fun. Now I'm going to put everything together. These are like beautiful dies. If you're watching my video or this is the first time you're watching my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so that you can see my videos as I post it, and share it with your friends. That'll help a lot. You can see that they are so pretty and it is fun to put together. So now I have made everything ready. Now it's time for me to put together. So I'm going to first adhere this black cardstock, which is 4.5 by 3.5 inches. Then I'm going to adhere this embossed cardstock also, that is around 3.5 inches by 4.25. Now I'm going to first stick this mesh. I don't know what it is called as, but it is a mesh die. And now I'm going to adhere all the flowers and the buds and the leaves. They are so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful, it is. I just enjoyed putting all together. And they are also in very detail, if you can see clearly, but very detailed dies, so it's really beautiful. So I'm going to use this pearls and put it in the center of the flowers. Now for the sentiment, I'm using a double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to adhere it on the card. and as the finishing touch I'm putting the gems. So this finishes my card making project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and don't forget to put the notification on, so you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. So thanks for watching. Bye.